Hi, welcome to our second video on our little how to build a standing desk series, a series of 2 videos. We really enjoyed this one. We've been using this one for a little while and we've decided for a more modern look, we've not seen any around there, but we thought we'll have a go at making one out of 10mm acrylic. And as you can see, we did it. We had some lying around and we used the same template, same size as the wooden one, so it was quite straightforward for us to do. So check out our other video, a really detailed video there on how to make one. The shelves are interchangeable as well, so make the same shelves on the other video. Just got that modern look, it works just the same, and we think it's fantastic. Okay, so a little rundown on how we made this. We templated everything for the shelves the same as this one, so check out our other video, you'll see how we did that. And we cut these out with a circular saw and a router. Again, check out the other video, you'll see how we did that. And the main sides of it, we just ran down with a circular saw and cleaned up the edges a little bit as well with a knife and a bit of wire wool, same as the other video. Only main difference is that we had to heat this acrylic up. We had a couple of attempts and now we know what we're on with. We've also put this little bit of foot on the front to give it a bit more stability. So we made a little jig of a fire-safe, fireproof table, and we put a metal tube clamped on there with the acrylic overhanging the distance we wanted to bend, and we slowly heated it. We timed it, and for us, with a hand blow touch, I think it was about 8 minutes. Not with the flame on there, but just with the heat, and it really softened the acrylic just enough for us to manipulate it and move it where we want. and we found that we had to cool it as well. We had to hold it and cool it. We sprayed it with a bit of water, not too much because we were concerned of it cracking, but we were fine in the end. And then the front bit again, we heated that slowly and bent it back. But we did find that trying to rebend it, once we've done it, was an absolute nightmare. I don't know if it changes the structure of the acrylic or what, but we wanted to adjust the angle a little bit, and it took over 10 minutes for the second time for us to heat it up and bend it just a little bit, just so we did it just so these shelves sat nice and parallel to the desk. So yeah, thanks for watching this one. We hope you enjoyed it. If you have liked it, please share the video, comment below as well what you think about it, and subscribe to our channel please, and we'll see you on the next one.